YouTube video, and
My dad is going at
my
work.
dad's going to work right now. Hi everybody, I'm Daniel and this is my dad,
Hello.
also known as Masano. This year we decided to start a YouTube channel. Hi everybody, I'm Daniel and this is my dad.
Hello.
This year we decided to start a YouTube channel to show you how we spend quality time together.
Yeah, we are spending a lot of time at work and he's spending a lot of time in school. So we're gonna try to make most of it.
In this video, Dad tried to bring me with him to change the oil in his car, but he didn't really think he should because I'm kind of ill. I'm not that ill anymore because I went on a school trip to Guyana Cruise and yeah.
You are feeling better now.
Yeah, and I started a new hobby. You can find out that hobby in the next video.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a lot of exploring. We're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go in forest. A lot.
And we're also going to show you a lot of inventions.
Yeah, he's trying to do some inventions.
Yep, with my friend.
Yeah, what are you doing for them?
Oh, so I'm designing inventions that my friend could possibly make since he made a drill. So,
yeah,
of course.
But we're gonna see about that in the next one or in the next few videos.
Yeah.
Depends how it goes. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and be with us.
Yeah.
In our journey. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good morning. Time 7:30, 20 past. Plan for today was to wake up Daniel, take him with me, show him how to change the oil on my car and the filters. Unfortunately, he got a cold last week. He was in a school trip. He started a new hobby. I'm gonna let him tell you more about that later.
Stracane, no?
Okay, job is done, oil is changed. Now let's see how Daniel is feeling, if he's ready for today's adventure. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so I just arrived home.
Yeah.
Daniel is feeling better. He's ready for a new adventure. Where are we gonna go, Daniel?
The park with the forest. We're at the park. We're watching some football over here. Just got here.
What is that? Football match or what?
Yeah, football match.
Yeah? Do you know who's playing?
Hello.
Reds and whites.
My friend plays football before, the professionals and these are the professionals.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's happening now? A corner?
No, I think the Reds. Yeah,
Go.
a corner, and the Reds went up to the goal. Yes.
No, it wasn't. Almost. Don't run, Daniel. Too cold outside, anymore. Too cold. It was. Yeah.
Right now, it's nice and warm. Go watch a movie, and we're gonna cool a night.
See you on the next adventure. Keep it close.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that like button.